COVID-19 is the most important thing because you all know that because of the severe, just because of the number in all parts of the country, because of the sheer number, I don't think any disease has that many number of patients compared to the COVID-19. Now, suppose a person is not affected with COVID-19, that I will discuss initially, and second part, a person who is affected with COVID-19. Now, a person who is not affected with COVID-19, if due to the exposure to that much amount of pollution, if his lung is already been affected to that extent, so that all the lung volumes are reduced, and the infective or to fight against the infection is already compromised, or already if he is having multiple comorbidities, then we all know that effect of COVID-19 on a compromised lung or individual with multiple comorbidities is much more profound compared to those without any comorbidities. So if a person without COVID-19 who is living in such a polluted state, the effect of the COVID-19 on that individual will be much more. We all know. And second, now if a person has been affected with COVID-19, now he recovered. We all know steroid is a very important drug against COVID-19. So the steroid decreases. It is beneficial for the COVID lung. It is beneficial for the COVID fibrosis. But at the same, we all know steroid has many side effects. It decreases the immune capacity of the body to fight with the diseases. So the chances of getting infections are much more in post-COVID patients. Second, in post-COVID, everyone used to develop in severe COVID some kind of fibrosis. He may have 50, 40, 30, 20. So a person who has got 100% lung, if he develops some kind of pneumonia of 10%, so 90% of the lung will be healthy. He will not be affected to that extent. But in a COVID patient whose lung already has been fibrous to 30-40%, even a 10% decline in the lung function or even a 10% decline in the FEV1 or APC will lead to serious consequences. So the COVID and the air pollution are directly related. It is not indirectly related. The consequences of air pollution on COVID individuals is more directly related rather than the effect on the normal population. So we should be more conscious of the air pollution, especially when we are talking about this Omicron and all those things. We should get ourselves ready. We had a time of 1.5 years. We almost all the hospitals, ventilators, oxygen, we took care of all those things. In the second wave, we found that all in spite of all but at the same time, we should also shift our focus to the air pollution because now everything has been opened up.